Welcome back to Guided Meditations with Star. Today's guided meditation is called I Am Abundant. The theme of this meditation is to empower abundance, receiving in energy, and shifting into a prosperity consciousness. So when you're ready, please find a comfortable position. And for this meditation, this may be seated or lying down, especially if this is a meditation you're using just before bed. I'm going to invite you now to gently close your eyes and sort of bringing back that conscious awareness around how different functions of our body do things that we don't even have to think about. And just being aware of how gently the eyes close. I'm going to invite you for this meditation to rest your hands, palms facing upwards in the energy of receiving abundance. So we're going to tune into our breath now. So I'm going to invite you to take inhales through your nose and exhales out through your mouth. And bringing in the energy of peace and exhaling any tension. So please take a deep inhale through your nose now. And slowly exhale out through your mouth. And keep repeating this for me as I continue with this guided meditation. But invite yourself, let yourself arrive fully into the present moment. And as you're breathing, and maybe encourage you to start breathing a little bit more deeply as we quite knowingly shallow breathe. We don't fully embody the full capacity of our air, of our lungs, what we can inhale, and equally what sits at the bottom there that we don't effectively exhale. So let's tune into that because we want to release old energy that's taking up space, so we can allow and welcome in fresh, abundant energy. So breathing in deeply, imagine golden light entering in with each inhale. And as you exhale, release any fear, any sense of lack. And now I'm going to invite you to start visualizing roots growing from the base of your spine down into the earth. And knowing that these roots are strong, stable, ancient, knowing you are supported, you are provided for. Abundance is your natural state. Now imagine yourself standing in a radiant field of golden light. In your hands you hold a bowl, the symbol of your receiving. Golden energy pours into it from the universe, endless, overflowing. Let this energy fill you, your hands, your heart, your entire body, your entire being. This is abundance in all its forms. Love, resources, ideas, joy, time, and even freedom. You are not separate from it. In fact, you are the channel. And in this space now, in this way, in being that you are receiving, I'm going to invite you to repeat out loud or in your mind affirmations with me, and breathing between each one just so it can settle. I am abundant. I am open to receiving all that is good. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. I am worthy of prosperity in all forms. My life is filled with unlimited possibilities. The universe supports me in every way. I attract aligned opportunities with ease. I give generously and receive generously. I am the source of abundance. I am abundant. And if you feel that there is a affirmation that you've come up with, or you feel you want to embody, please do so now. Let each affirmation settle into your being. So I'm going to invite you now to place your hands over your heart, feeling its rhythm, feeling its warmth. And I want you to say this to yourself. I am abundant. I am ready. I am enough. I am abundant. I am ready. I am enough. I am abundant. I am ready. I am enough. You are now tuned in to the frequency of abundance. You carry this with you wherever you go. And so we're slowly coming towards the end of our meditation. And just using my voice as an anchor, bringing awareness and presence back into your body. Coming back to your breath and feeling as your belly inflates and deflates. I'm going to invite you to wiggle your fingers and toes and take one final deep breath in and sigh it out with ease. And when you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes. You are grounded. You are radiant. You are abundant. Thank you for taking time out of your precious day to spend listening to this guided meditation. And if you enjoyed it, please could you subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And please, if you'll indulge me, leave a blue heart as a comment or a real comment just sharing your experience, as I really love that and I'd love to engage with you. Wherever you are in the world, I'm sending you lots of love. And I look forward to welcoming you back to next week's new guided meditation with me, Star.